guys! We're in the season where plants are displayed in or out of the home, and here for this wall decor I used artificial succulent plants. I really love the way this turned out, and this is a good idea as a gift for Mother's Day or even for a housewarming party, and they're all Dollar Tree items. Now let's go ahead and get it started. These are the items that I used. I will be leaving a more detailed list down in the description box below. Now I started off by taking the succulent plants and removing the top because it's actually artificial plants, so you can do this. And to make it easy for me to spray paint the body gold, I just used a bag here, and I'm just gonna cover up the inner side so that the gold spray paint doesn't go inside. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to stay updated with my latest videos. This is option 1. Then option 2, you can just remove the foam, easy, like this. And then I spray painted them outside, and now I'm going to be putting back the plants inside by using a hot glue gun first to make sure that I secure the plants in place. These are blocks that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then I spray painted 5 gold, and I will be gluing them onto the containers for the plants. After that, I glued it onto the middle of the mirror, and I did that for all 5 of them. The next thing that I did was to take 2 glasses that I detached from the certificate frames. And before we go any further, these are angle braces that you can use if you're not comfortable with the corners. And now I took E6000 and a hot glue gun to glue down the wood that I'm going to be using to join both glasses together. I glued on more wood at the 2 top ends for hanging on the wall, and then more wood to secure it properly in the middle. This is the back of the certificate frame, and I'm going to be using the hooks for hanging. Now this is for me, but if you're not comfortable with that, you can use command strips. I added wood at the lower corners of the design to make sure that it stays flushed when it's hanged on the wall. Now I turned it over, and I'm going to be making sure that all of the designs are going to be covering the wood that I glued at the back. When I was sure that all the designs fit in place, I glued them down with an E6000 glue and left it overnight to dry. I forgot to mention that because I used 2 glasses together, it's not so strong if you don't put enough glue. So please put enough strong adhesive, and a lot of it, and leave it overnight to dry. Now you can avoid all this by just using 1 long plain glass. I hanged it on the wall, and I am so pleased with the turnout. This was so easy to make, and it's an inexpensive gift idea. This is such a unique wall decor because you have the plants on the mirror, and then the mirrors on the glass, and then at nighttime you can always put in your tea light candle holders on top of the blocks, and this is what it looks like. And then you wake up in the morning to another bright view of your wall decor. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this idea. And remember to like and share. And also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.